Welcome to the channel. We have seen that how we can use these tools to get the hosts that are up, that are alive in the network in the previous videos. So next we will see how to scan that specific host or list of hosts, whatever you call it, in this network, and we will try to find out more information about that host, what services they are running, and what kind of operating system they are running, and all those kind of information. So we'll be using a scanner called King of Scanner. So I will say Nmap. So Nmap is the king of scanner, I will say, because it can do a lot of stuffs. And basically, we'll be using the TCP handshake technique. Uh, so let's understand what TCP handshake is. So let me my okay. So what's TCP handshake? I just need an image. As you can see from here that it's two machines, server and the client. The client sends a synchronous packet. Okay, this packet is sent to the server. Request for a connection. Server listens to a specific socket, basically IP address and the port number. So the client sends that IP address of the server and the port number as a socket and sends a SYN packet. SYN packet is nothing but a synchronized packet. Then if that host is alive, if the server is alive, then they will send a SYN plus acknowledgement packet. Okay, with a sequence number, basically. It has some sequence numbers. Anyway, that's not important here. Just have to understand the basic idea of this three-way handshake. And after this SYN plus ACK, the synchronized and acknowledgement packet, the client again sends acknowledgement packet. So this three-way handshake, after this three-way handshake, connection is established. This is the TCP handshake, three-way handshaking methodology for connecting to making a connection between these two systems. Okay, so a lot of things that happens using this simple protocol. A lot of firewalls that can be built using these protocols. Like if there's a lot of three-way handshake we are seeing in the network from specific IP addresses on various sockets, we can build a firewall to stop this kind of connection requests, basically. Or we can just to evade that firewall techniques, we can just use this SYN and ACK. That's it. No more extra ACK so that we can evade that intrusion detection systems. Anyway, so we'll start with the scanning techniques, and let's see, we have switched off the okay. So previously we have discovered these hosts. Okay, so we'll quickly jump and we will understand how Nmap works, and we will see a few commands. I'm switching off my camera just to have a better view. Yeah, it looks cool now. Okay, so let's understand how Nmap works. Okay, so basically I can build a IP table traffic, but I don't want to. So let's quickly jump into Nmap. So basically Nmap is you should run in a sudo mode, in a super user mode. That's much better. All right. There's a lot of things going on. You can use this IP address, basically. Sorry, this host name for for scanning this. Okay, just for example scanning, but you should not scan more than 100 or more than many scans. Okay. Oh, it can do a ping sweep as well. List of hosts and network. That's a good thing. So I don't need these kind of things anymore. So I can just simply host discovery can also done very well. You can just do a ping scan just to see if the networks are working or not. So it's a lot of commands that are happening there. So I will not clear because I have the IP addresses here. So 2 and 5, 15. Okay, so there's two systems. We have 2 and 15. Just remember this. That's it. So basically, let's start with uh, basic nmaps command. Okay, so in map, just I will do nothing. No options I will put. Dot 0 dot 2 dot. Now let me try with 5. I don't know what it is, but let's see what it does. And oh, I think this is the Metasploitable box. It has so many ports open. So it returns the MAC address of the system. Okay, it's a virtual box MAC address. Basically, I have created a virtual lab here. So it is running FTP. It is running SSH on port 22. It's running Telnet on port 23. SMTP on port 25. You can do a lot of things with SMTP. You can try to find out users in SMTP and all those things. Your RPC is running NetBIOS, Microsoft DS 45. Okay, I think Samba is running maybe. Okay, service message blocks and all those kind of things. Okay, so PostgreSQL, MySQL is there. So this is the most basic scan that you can do. So let me try with the other IP address that I've got. 15. Okay, it's running very less things. It has SSH, HTTP. Oh, so HTTP. So I can just browse the web page. It is also running HTTP. So I can also, I think Apache is running, maybe Apache or any Apache, some kind of web server. It can be Apache, it can be Glassfish, it can be Tomcat, doesn't matter. So this port is open. So we can do a lot of things out of it. So what it does is the basic command. This command, what it does is it basically does the most default level of scans. Okay, so let's try to do port scanning. Okay, so again we have done a lot of ports, but still we will do a lot of port scanning. So I will just do -p and port ranges from 65,535. I don't know how much time it will take. There's a lot of ports basically. Oh, it gives more information. So 8180 is running. I don't know what it is. Some kind of these protocols are running. I don't know what are these. Great. Okay, so a lot of things that is going on. Okay, I didn't expect that this will happen. So previously we have seen up to 8180. So these ports are now, you can see that is open. All right, so basically this is a TCP scan that I told. We can do a stealth scan. We'll just send the SYN packet and the SYN plus ACK. That's it. We'll not send the extra ACK packet, so that we can run these things on stealth mode. Okay, map, I think minus stealth mode. This is TAC S. So when we were doing basic map, so you will see that for TAC S is scanning things. Okay, any kind of S is TAC. Okay, scan type, options, and target specification. So basically we are doing scan types, options, summary. We have a lot of options. This is summary that we get. Okay, let's do this, and we will simply put the .0.2. This time let's do the 15. We'll take the same results basically. Yeah, same result. file.tns. Did we get file.tns later that time? Yes. So we'll get the same results, but it's in stealth mode. The TCP three-way handshake doesn't happen. It's just a two-way handshake. The third handshake is switched off basically. So basically what this command does is the first top 1000 ports are checked basically. Anyway, okay, so let's start with a basic TCP connect scan. So the main thing is this is the full TCP connect scan. Again, same output that we get. That was 5, I think. Yeah, same output. It's really running very fast. That's a good thing. Okay, if you want to see any kind of UDP ports, if it is running any kind of UDP ports on, let's see this machine, if it's I will just do a CU. Oh, takes a lot of time. I don't know how much time it will take. Okay, so it's no UDP ports are running. No, it's not up yet. Should clear the screen. So let us wait and see what's happening. In the meantime, okay, I will come back after a few minutes. The scan will take around 10 minutes, 8.57 minutes. I think I should stop this kind of scan. That is too much. Just I will do basic UDP in stealth mode. It will take 2 minutes. It's a good thing. 4 minutes. Alright, so there was an issue. Basically I have to use the time settings so that to 5 so that we can get things in very less time. So we have to use this kind of techniques. If you just put this kind of commands, it will take a lot of time. So this is a better technique, and this generates a lot of traffic, basically, this kind of command. So this command is generating less traffic. So we can see the lot of UDP ports are open, RCP, bind, BIOS, and oh. So we have done UDP scan here. So let's try to do some host discovery, just like before what we did. Okay, so 10.0.2 dot, we'll do a star here. So yeah, so you can see what hosts are open here. That is cool. Just like that ARP scan or net discover, we are seeing these things here. Okay, so basically we can do a lot of we can even scan a range of IP addresses from here to like 20. So it will show how many hosts are up. Okay, we can also do a OS fingerprint. It's a cool thing to do. So I think this one is running Ubuntu, maybe, or Red Hat, whatever. It's Linux, and we have a kernel. Okay, and for that, this machine, this is the enumeration variable too. This is a Linux machine. So we haven't done any kind of panel grabbing here. So we'll do a service enumeration. SV and ST, and we'll do 10.0.2.5 15 start with less port numbers, less information. It's taking a lot of time. Yeah, so we can see a lot of version of the what it is there. SSH version, we can see 2.9. so is there any kind of Apache HTTPD 1.3? so we have many other services like Samba services and all. So we'll see if there is any kind of SSH 2.9, it is there or not. Yeah, we can. Username enumeration is there. Root shell, no. If we do J 1.3 okay, just 1.3. oh my god, 1.3.x batch file remote command execution, that's a good one. 1.3.2. oh, this doesn't work. Yeah. Oh, root directory not required. Can do a lot of things, like just we'll see this one. This will not take much time again. Oh wow. Okay, so FTP, VSTPD, we have a lot of things going on here. FINC 4.7, a lot of things. Let's see if there is anything like this. Search exploit FTPD 2.3.4. ah, that's a cool thing. We have one. Okay, Okay, so I think we can easily hack this machine. So if um, just give me a minute. So at first you should here start post SQL. What the hell is happening? My network is very sorry, my system is very slow. And nsf d think nsf db initializing database started. Sweet. Just okay. So we'll try to use this backdoor, and till then we will see more of things. It's very slow. Wow, CPU use is very high. Okay. I think it has started to work. Creating a table. Good. This is a very nice, tool basically. HTOP. So you can use this tool to see your processes in command line in real time. You can also kill processes and all. It's cool. Oh my god, it's taking forever. Alright, it's done now. So we will just do one very small thing, that is nsf console. Oh, I should be root. So yeah, I don't know. This is a holy cow. So it looks cool here. So you help all the commands that is possible here. You have a banner. The banner looks very cool. Connect, grab history, sessions. Okay, module commands. Okay, show commands. Searches. Okay, so search Apache. It was Apache sorry, vstpd, sorry, vsftpd 2.3, right, 2.3.4.4. okay, so a lot of things. So simply we'll do nothing, use exploit Unix ftp vstpd 2.3 backdoor. Okay, info, info, yeah. So we have our host, set the r host, that's it, and we'll be able to like okay, so we'll simply set r host equals to what was the IP address of the system that was running this 10.2.5 10.2.0.5 exploit, well, I think this will do, I think exploit completed, exploit running as background job. Somewhere this exploit is running. Okay, let's see, it does. Exploit failed. Okay, so there is an issue here. Cut. Yes, I gave a wrong IP address. Oh, I have access to the system now. You can see. Okay, so I can change the password, but I should not. Yes, I should abort the session. Okay. So you can see I have just accessed the system here. Okay. We have a shell here. Okay, so if I just do ID, name, Linux, name is a Linux multipliable server, I'm inside the system. That's it. So I have successfully hacked into that system. Just so you can use Nmap to do a lot of things. Okay, so we will do vulnerability analysis later, but this is the basic way to do Nmap. Right.